Hi guys, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of July 27th through August 2nd. I wanted some super summery kit for the start of August, so I pulled this one from Victoria Thatcher called Bright Summer Beach. I think it's super cute, colorful, very retro feel, so I thought it would be fun for this week. I really have no plans other than work. So yeah, I pulled a bunch of washi. These are from Amazon, these are from Dollar Tree. These are from Michael's, and I figured that would be sufficient for now. So these are tall enough that they'll cover up the middle one because printing is hard. So I am going to put down this purple washi and this yellow washi. I think I'm going to do it this direction, and then nothing in the middle. And then I have this cute washi strip that's like, it's a little too long for one side. Maybe I'll just break that up and use it during like various times during the week. So I am going to use, I think, these two along the bottom. I think that's going to be really cute. So yeah, that is my plan. And let's see, I feel like I forgot some stuff, so I'm going to pause this briefly and then I'll do all the fast forward nonsense. Oh, and one last thing before I start, I'm going to put down the date covers. I'm just going to write the date on the side that doesn't have cute deco. So yeah, that is my whole plan. I'm going to do all that and speed you through it and then be right back. Alright, so here's where we stand right now. As you can see, the date covers were too wide. Printing was difficult. So I tried to trim a little off each side of every box, thinking that that would make it the right width, but I'm not sure that that actually happened. So I might have to trim some of the boxes a little bit more, especially these, they seem wider. So we're just gonna see how it goes as I go. In terms of the boxes, I want these two on different pages, and I want those two on different pages. I'm going to use these for one of the days, like two of them, to kind of make up the amount of space of a full box. Maybe I'll do that on Thursday. So I feel like I want this to be this. Maybe I'll make this be the sidebar. So then those two would go together. Sure. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna try putting this on Monday. Oh yeah, see, definitely too wide. And I thought I cut it down enough. So I'm just gonna do like the worst way you could try to resize this, where I'm just gonna estimate it by myself. And just wing it. Alright, that turned out pretty good. Now I just need to do that a bunch more times. See, I pulled off just a little on each edge and I thought it was enough, but it was not. So I'm just gonna eyeball cut them and then just kind of line it up and see roughly how much I need to cut off. I feel like the top is like slightly too wide. Alright, it looks fine. All right. What ones do I want next? Maybe this guy. I feel like I could just cut off all on one side of this one. I don't think I'm really centering anything, yeah. Alright, there's that one. I'm going to stick this one on Tuesday. Let's see. I'm going to cut off a little bit on each side of this one. So this week is going to be super boring, just a lot of the same old, go to work, and that's it. So definitely pretty uneventful. I don't know, there's not really a lot going on for us, not a lot we can do. Just staying home, staying safe. Well, that one didn't end up perfect, but it's fine, I think. Then I'm going to stick this one. And I'm going to overlap it like halfway like this. Alright, then the last one, I need to trim this down so that it can go into my sidebar. Sorry if you can hear my bunny in the background. It's got a lot of pizzazz today, apparently. I think I need to trim just a hair more. Alright, I feel like that's close enough. So there's that. Underneath that, I'm going to stick in this leftover habit tracker. I'm not 100% sure where it's from. There we go. And then I want to stick in, I'll put in the dark teal or this sky blue color. I kind of think I'm going to use this sky blue color. I'm pretty sure this is from Cavern Studio. I'm going to use some of this strip of washi right here. I'm going to do the thing everyone always says don't do. Just estimate it myself. I'm going to try to stick it back in this space. There we go. Alright, put this in. I should stop holding my slice tool before I stick my face. Sticking this leftover. I'm using this to mark in my meals for the week. Just dinners. Like so. And then underneath that, are these skateboards. And I would like to try to fit both of them. I will use this like on the weekend or something. There we go. There, I think that's pretty cute. Alright, I don't know what I'm going to track yet, so I'm just going to not fill that in. In terms of my daily plans, literally the only thing I have scheduled right now is work. So this is the seasonal sticker book from Happy Planner, the one that has this cover. And I am just going to pull from these hot pink ones. And I think I'm going to use this little round guy with the asterisk. And I'm just going to mark work. For every day. And that's the only thing I have scheduled right now, so nothing else going on. Stick that in there. Alright, that's my whole pre-planning. Alright, I'm not going to fill anything in because there's barely anything here. Stick around for a second and you can see what actually happened during the week. Alright, here's the finished spread. I love how it turned out. It's so cute and colorful, perfect for summer, for the end of July. I don't have any leftovers, just the scraps from trimming down boxes because of the printing issue. But I really like how it turned out. I think it's super cute. So I will go through everything that I used. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit from Thatcher. The bottom washi is all from Michaels. Down the sidebar, this is a leftover that I cannot remember where it came from. This one is from Cavern Studio. I think that one is as well, but I'm not positive. The headers are from Dollar Tree, just washi. These are Happy Planner, Amazon, Sarah Elizabeth Prints, and another Sarah Elizabeth Prints. These little extra yellow pieces I pulled from an Indian Planner Addict old kit. This is from a Agenda 52 book from Hobby Lobby. This one comes from Wonton and a Million, Cavern Studio. This is a leftover. I don't know where it came from. I drew a cake. This is from Chasing Shelves, Piper Paper Company. This washi is also from Michaels. This comes from My Planner Life UK, Cavern Studio, more Michaels washi. And that's everything. So really utilized the kit and then just pulled in a few extras to kind of give me some icons and stuff. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you're using for August. I'm trying to transition from summer into fall, so let me know your kits that you're planning to use for that. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see all my in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all of that good stuff. And until next time, bye!